they don't understand. Everybody here just understand all the fighting. They know what I'm saying. He do 2 punches that sound like one.
Mic check, mic check.
Now those days are gone. It's empty. I'm nothing. I'm working on piano.
Yo, what is good? What is good? Hey, love. Welcome in. Good to see you. Are the first one in the chat today, brother. Appreciate the love. You know, we love when the mods are here. We need the mods and definitely need the members here as well. You are triple crowning, my brother. So thank you for that. Man, good morning, everybody. Good evening. If you're in the UK, I believe it's the afternoon for you guys, right? And it in the afternoon. What's good, Sabine? Welcome to the chat. Welcome in. Appreciate you stopping by today. We got a cool show lined up for you this morning. Hopefully, more people stop on by and tune in, man. Appreciate everybody doing their thug thizzle. Damn, that was quick. We jumped up. Make sure you guys hit that like button when you're coming in, man. It helps out the stream. Our first video today comes from EWU Body Cam. Teen murders the mom, then posts dead body on Snapchat. Let's check out the video.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
So, South Yucca Police Department, make yourself present! Was there a gunshot?
Yes.
Where's your firearm? Did you shoot her?
Yes, sir.
A lot of blood in here.
I'm sorry. But that's what you deserve.
Gunfire echoes through the neighborhood when a teenager shoots her own mother in what she claims is an act of self-defense. But this violence is rooted.
Hey, shout out all the UK members, man. Shout out all the UK.
In dark family tragedy.
So it seems like the daughter shot the mom.
And its arrival comes on a night where anything could happen.
I'm having a seizure.
The following report is based on official police records, and the footage has never been seen before until now. On the evening of April 26, 2024 in South Euclid, Ohio, home security cameras watch and record the bizarre movements of 19-year-old Nia Patterson.
I remember those Ford Tauruses. Them cars was a good car. That was a good Ford.
Nia never leaves, and moments later, she's back in the house.
Honestly, it looks like she's going through some type of manic attack or something, like episode.
These inexplicable scenes aren't just captured by the Ring cameras in her house, they're also filmed by Nia herself. Despite running away, Nia is soon back in the house once again, and her rage is evident.
I bet you before the camera started is when she hurt the mom. And then now it's like setting in that like she's about to have to face consequences for her actions. Hey, what up, Candy? Welcome in.
No answer comes, but when the police are called to the residence about an unresponsive female, they will see exactly what Nia has done.
South Police!
I like your new profile pic.
There are ring cameras in here. I'm gonna stand right here because I don't want y'all to think I'm coming down.
Is someone unresponsive?
Yes.
Where?
Upstairs.
Where? Okay. What's going on? Where are they at? Here, let's go here. What's going on? Where are they at? Where are they at? Show me where they're at.
She's right here.
What's going on?
She sound like an elementary school girl, you know, like when they're in trouble and they're trying to explain what they did.
Yes, I got a male with female. It looks like a stab wound to the back. Okay.
No worry, Candy, I get it.
1 second. Turn around, put your hand by your back.
Yes, sir.
Stay right there. Ma'am, come with me. Sit right. Was there a gunshot?
Yes.
Where's your firearm?
I don't
Did
know.
you shoot her?
Yes, sir.
Where's your firearm?
It's outside. I don't have it. It's outside.
Sit here, cross your feet. Don't move.
Yes, sir.
With Nia's confession darkening the tragic situation, the officer tries to provide aid to the victim.
I low-key do believe that she has some type of mental thing going on just because how subordinate she was to the police. Like, even her panting seemed like realistic. It didn't seem overboard or like she was trying to sell anything. It really seemed like she was just trying to soothe herself. Hopefully we get to the bottom of what happened between her and her mom. I think this girl really needs mental medical attention.
Her mother, Angela Bates.
Ma'am.
Yeah, that is L. Thomas. That's the same person, hate. But I always knew it was her. First, her name was Candy. Then she switched it to L. Thomas. Now she switched it to Candy Thomas. So people would stop misrecognizing her.
You here? You here? Yes, I have a female detained in the upstairs hallway. She's cuffed, starting compressions.
I copy.
Medics and additional police soon arrive, and Nia is taken to a patrol car.
Where's that firearm at?
Copy.
Dropped it somewhere outside.
What kind of firearm is it?
It was like, I don't know,
What color?
black.
Black?
The gun can actually be seen in Nia's left hand as she descends the stairs in the Ring footage.
Can you just stay? I'm going to look for a firearm. I got her detained in the back. Her firearm's in the back somewhere. I want to get...
Yeah, so when she first came down the stairs, that was right after she shot her, I think, because she still had the gun in her hand.
this firearm secured. There's like 6 shell casings. I got in the front seat of this car.
As the cops investigate, Nia is left with only herself to talk to, or so it would seem.
I'm sorry. But that's what you deserve. I love y'all. What's that? I don't know. I thought that was the wrong thing to do. Self-defense. Close to self-defense. Regardless of how y'all put it, self-defense.
She flipping out now. She's starting to flip the fuck out. She talking to imaginary people and shit.
Meanwhile, medics rush Nia's mother into an ambulance.
You guys have any info on her? Not at all? Nothing. We're going to try to get some more. Let's get her in the squad. Get her in the squad.
She has to die. She has to die.
So the next door said she heard 7 to 10 shots. She heard screaming. She heard yelling. A female voice yelling.
You want to go clear the house, make sure no one else is in there?
We got Rick's in there.
Yeah, she's...
Suspects in your car.
This is going to be a homicide.
Just pray for me, y'all. Just pray for me. Everybody, let's pray. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth.
That's wild, bro. Now she praying right after she shot her mom. Hey. Connie, welcome to the chat, girl. You know, we like when the members show up to the live stream. Appreciate you showing up today. Yeah, that's crazy. This girl needs to be in the psych ward for sure.
As it is in heaven.
So, South Yucca Police Department, make yourself present!
I'll never kill nobody ever again.
There's a lot of blood in here.
I hope not. She just said, I'll never kill nobody, never again. That's wild.
And there's a case.
Hey, yo, Connie. Thank you for the latte so early in the morning, love. You know I need it. Let me sip it with my pinky up. I'm gonna keep it classy. Thank you, love, for the gifts. Appreciate you. Chat, show her some love.
And there's another casing.
She better try to kill me. And then I shot her.
The shocking events of the night are only made more unsettling by the security videos that captured the aftermath. Nia is transported to the police station for booking, and her initial thoughts are with her mother.
Did she make it?
I don't know.
Can y'all let me know if y'all find out?
Yeah. Yeah, we have no idea. Once fire and EMS, they do their thing.
Y'all can tell the truth about everything.
Well, what we're going to do is we're just going to book you in. We're not going to ask you any questions about what happened.
Okay.
Our detectives are coming in.
Okay.
They're going to handle that, okay?
Okay.
Prior to this incident, where were you?
That wouldn't happen?
Prior to.
Oh, at my dad's.
Nia had been staying with her father in recent months, only returning to her mother's house this week. Nia's father later tells police that this violence didn't come entirely out of the blue.
She's had a history of mental illness. Told me she's been planning this for 3 months. But he was like, she's been talking about killing people in her journal for months. Her mom, they
Yeah, see, I could tell just the way that girl's acting that she not faking, bro. She has some mental issues like long before this. I don't know what enticed her to attack her mom, but yeah, this is sad.
they
Seems like this is something that could have been prevented.
have multiple instances, if altercations and things. I'm sure you talked to kind of filled you in on those situations more than I could.
South Euclid police incident reports from 2019 and 2020 show numerous calls coming from the residents over a period of months. Most of them Nia's mother, Angela, reporting that her teenage daughter has run away, and one in which she reports Nia for being continuously disrespectful and disobedient. But according to her father, Nia caused trouble for others as well.
She hit her brother. He's only 10, but he's the same height as me. He's not no little kid. And he comes running down and he's crying to me. And he like, Dad, he was like, I hate her. I want her to leave. And he said she would be talking about killing and to be scaring me. I'm not that sensitive where I'm like your mental illness is a justification and any excuse for you for what you did.
At the station on the night of the shooting, the focus quickly shifts from what Nia did to the onset of a medical emergency.
You start feeling lightheaded or anything like that, you need to let me know so that I can take care of you. Do you need to sit down on the floor? Why don't you just do that? Just like sit over here and lean against your back against there. Okay? If you start to feel like you're gonna pass out or anything, you gotta let me know so that I can take care of you, okay?
I had seizures, but I think I got enough self-control.
You do feel like you're getting ready to have one? Is that why you're telling me that?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, then I'll have you do this. Why don't you just go ahead and lay down? She has seizures. It feels like she's having one. Come on. So they might want to call the squad. You're okay. I got you, Nia. I got you. All right. I got you, sweetie.
All right, now I feel like she faking.
You got it.
Take a deep breath. Deep, slow breaths.
Stay with them. Come on.
You gotta take some deep breaths from me, Nia. There you go.
Keep breathing, okay? What normally triggers your seizures?
Trauma.
Trauma?
Stress.
She doesn't have any.
Trauma and stress? Okay. Any other medical issues that you have besides seizures?
My mom says I have ADHD and I'm schizophrenic and bipolar, but the doctors said I don't have it.
So the doctor said you don't have it. Okay.
Yes.
Soon, medics arrive to take Nia to the hospital.
What's going on right now?
I'm having a seizure, but not like the door to
She has trauma-based seizures.
Nia is loaded into an ambulance, where she soon drops a bombshell.
Nia, what's going on today? What do you think started this?
My mom got my siblings killed and tried to kill me.
It's not the information the medic expected, but it has been a consistent theme throughout the night.
Kill my siblings, bro! This kill my siblings! That was for my siblings. She killed my siblings, y'all, brother, y'all. She got my siblings killed.
Nia's family is one that has been stricken in recent years. In a speech at National Gun Violence Survivors Week, her mother, Angela Bates, spoke emotionally about losing 3 children in unrelated shooting incidents. That speech was in January, just 3 months prior.
May I ask how they died? They got shot.
It's not clear why Nia blames her mother for the deaths of her sister and 2 brothers, but it's clear that tonight's events are taking their toll on her.
Yeah, just sit back, okay? I don't want you pulling your arm out of the socket or anything, okay? Just sit back there and just try to take some deep breaths. I'm gonna get your vitals real quick, okay?
Whether or not it's remorse that Nia is experiencing, certain facts would seem to undermine her claim of self-defense.
18 to the car's caller said that she shot this female in the back. Do not move.
I just shot at her back because she was running towards me and she fell on the floor.
Later, Nia seems to have her own moment of doubt, seeking a crucial answer from the loved ones she's lost.
Me, dear, we all right. Y'all just got me sent to jail for nothing.
Nia's mother, Angela Bates, died that night at the age of 47. In May of 2025, Nia Patterson pled guilty to murder with a firearm specification, and she was later given a sentence of 18 years to life. She's currently incarcerated at the Ohio Reformatory for Women. If you'd like to see select new videos early and help us keep uncovering case files that rarely come to light, you'll find extra footage.
Wait, so what happened? She pled guilty?
For women. If you'd like to see select new videos, specification, and she was later given a sentence of 18 years to life. She's currently incarcerated at the Ohio Reformatory for Women.
She's gonna be locked up for a long time. She'll probably be out and around when she's like 40. If she gets out, because it said 18 to life. So that makes me think she'll do about 25 before they consider her getting out. Good judgment, justice was served for that mom, but that's a sad situation. It seems like mental health really was the culprit there. She can't really explain why she thinks her mom killed her siblings or anything like that. So I think she's just going through some type of mental instability. You know what I mean? Our next video is from the Prime Analyzer channel. She hit a police vehicle and took a sobriety test. Let's check it out. She got a big old booty.
You can expect from this channel an analysis of videos. That's correct. This is not a reactionary channel. You can expect great commentary. And last but not least, an education. Now it's time to analyze this video.
It looks like this is in Tampa, Florida, October 8th of this year.
You're attacking us? You're in trouble. I guess I wasn't paying attention.
You got a backup camera and everything on that thing, man.
I wasn't paying attention.
Who's writing that crash report?
Hey, Tara. Welcome to the chat, Tara. You know we like when the members show up to the live streams. Chat, show her some love. This video looks to be a potential DUI case. She hit a police vehicle and then took a variety test. Then this happened is the title coming from the Prime Analyzer channel. Let's check it out.
Hang on 1 second.
I thought you were.
Who's writing the crash report? Who? How much damage you guys putting for the vehicles?
That's what we were just talking about.
So are we writing a crash report on this, or what's the decision from there? I just need to know because it'll affect how I move forward. Okay. If you're not going to write one, that's fine on my end. I don't care. That's for me. It doesn't matter. I mean, I said her. Just figure it out. Yeah, just let me know.
How much is BMW paying?
Bro, imagine you're driving around faded and you fucking hit a cop car, bro. That's the worst fucking night ever. Like, goddamn. That shit look like a fender bender, bro. Fuck.
No crash.
I mean, you shouldn't be driving drunk, but damn, bro.
No crash. All right.
Hey, Karma, welcome to the chat.
Who's got her ID? I got it. Okay. Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm finding yourself.
What's your first name? Okay.
So, when a police officer is involved in an accident, a different officer from the same department, a different agency, or a higher level authority like the state patrol will typically write the report to ensure impartiality. This prevents the officer involved from investigating and documenting their own accident. However, in this particular accident, it appears that the police made a determination not to write a crash report. And yes, police can refuse to write a crash report for an accident with only minor damages and no apparent injuries, especially if it occurs on private property like a parking lot.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm finding yourself.
What's your first name? Okay, listen, I'm Officer Barr. I work at Tampa Police Department, obviously. These officers called me here because they concerned maybe you had something to drink tonight.
That was probably maybe more than 2 hours ago.
Oh, was it?
Yes.
What did you have?
I took maybe half a beer.
That was it?
That was it.
Okay. Are you on any medication?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you mind stepping out for me?
Yep.
Come on over here. Do you have anything like physically wrong with you?
Nope.
Any injuries? Anything
Nope.
wrong with like your leg?
She just screwed herself over. She said, I drank half a beer 2 hours ago. That's going to be terms. Now they could do a field sobriety test. For sure. They're going to have reason to put you through a field sobriety test or a breathalyzer.
Your back,
She got that cat. She wearing that Catwoman outfit, though. I'll tell you that.
your knees.
Nope.
No. And you said you're not on any medications
No,
right
sir.
now? You're perfectly healthy then.
I'm healthy. I have anxiety, but besides that, I'm good.
You on medication for that?
Not tonight. I only take it when needed.
Okay. Do you wear contacts?
I wear glasses.
All right. Can you stand with your feet together like this, arms down at your side? What I'd like to do is begin by checking your eyes as part of some field sobriety
fine.
exercises. Okay. You see the red light here in front of you?
Absolutely.
What I want you to do is follow that light with your eyes, keeping your head still as I move that light back and forth, okay? Keep your head still.
That's the most bullshit test, bro. I hate the follow my pen test. that shit is so subjective.
Try to keep your head still.
You could tell it's kind of chilly that night, boy. Her nipples hard as hell.
There's a couple other exercises I'd like you to do, okay? You willing to do those for me?
Absolutely.
All right, come on down here. So we'll use this white line right here as a line to walk down.
Okay.
I'm going to give you some instructions. I'll show you how to do it.
Okay.
And then after I do all of that, you can ask questions. Okay?
She don't seem terribly intoxicated. I can't tell from that eye test. I mean, she could just be tired. But she's also, I think she got heels on, bro. And she got this Catwoman fucking outfit. So I don't think she's going to do too good in walking in a straight line.
Okay. I just prefer you don't ask questions.
They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 police here right now. That's crazy.
While I'm giving the instructions, because it's kind of hard for me to stop. All right. So while I'm doing all of that, what I would like you to do is stand with your left foot at the very beginning of the line. Then take your right foot, place it in front of your left foot so it touches heel to toe. Make sure both feet are on the line and one directly in front of the other. Place your arms to your side. Now don't begin walking until I tell you to start, okay?
Okay.
So when I tell you to, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud as you walk down the line.
Okay.
Turn around and then walk back down the line. 9 heel to toe steps, counting your steps out loud.
Okay.
So Your first step will be number 1, and each step needs to be heel to toe like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9. On your 9th step, I want you to leave your front foot on the line. Remove only your back foot, taking a series of small steps to complete a turn, just like this. And then you walk back down the line, 9, heel to
Never mind. She got some Jordans on. She should be okay. She got some Jordans on. She got the shattered backboards on. Let's see.
toe steps, counting your steps out loud.
I don't know. Her face giving drunk vibes now.
1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9.
Okay, so straight down, slowly turn, come down.
Exactly.
Count out loud.
Exactly. So,
is this one or is the next one?
So your first step will be number 1.
This one?
Your first step will be number 1. Okay. So while you do this, I'd like you to look at your feet as you walk. Count your steps out loud, keeping your arms down to your side just like this. Don't stop walking until you've completely finished this. Okay. Do you have any other questions?
No. Straight down, slow turn.
Literally. Then he's like, look down, don't just do it. Like, don't just not walk how you normally would.
Back to you, no questions.
Okay. You can begin then if you understand.
This vid's
She was kind of stumbling a little bit right there already. She was already stumbling a little bit.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I think that heel to toe is some bullshit too, because like even when you're sober, like you could, that's not how you walk. It can fuck you up. I don't think she's sober though. She's definitely been drinking.
5, 6, 7.
Typically, police officers made the decision already to arrest you for DUI or DWI before offering a sobriety test. In those cases, the test will only provide additional video evidence against the driver's defense.
Every time, bro. Every time. I would be like, just take me to jail, bro. What do you think?
Especially if the driver demonstrates physical impairment or failure to follow basic instruction.
Yeah, you should never like argue or reason with the police. Just let them determine what they're going to do and then just, listen to what they tell you to do. But don't give them any fucking evidence against you. Don't self-incriminate yourself.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Next, what I want you to do is stand with your feet together, arms down to your side. You can forget about this line. We're not going to use it, okay? I don't want you to do anything until I tell you right now, okay? I'm just going to show you how to do this and explain everything. Okay. So when I tell you to,
facts, right, Connie? I don't think I could do that right now. Like I'm sober as can be, and I don't think I can walk that straight line thing.
I want you to raise one leg. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to raise my left leg just because that's what I like to do. Raise it so it's about 6 inches off of the ground. Point your toe straight out. Look at that foot and count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I...
Damn, y'all can't see these side cops, bro. They're all just like looking at her ass right now. There's like one, you can't see them back here because it's small, but these cops are looking at her ass. These guys are looking at her ass. Like, you can't see them. They're off screen, but they're all just checking her out when she was like raising her pants up.
I tell you to stop, okay? Make sure you keep both legs straight. Don't bend them at the knee. And if you put your foot down, just pick it back up.
Yeah, she looks more, I agree. She looked like she was smoking some weed or something.
And continue counting from where you left off.
You want me to balance right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that a problem?
No, we're working out.
Oh, you see me doing it?
You're a cop.
Doesn't mean anything.
And mind you, them cops be having them military boots on and shit. You know what I'm saying? I know she got tennis shoes on, so it doesn't hold the same weight. But these cops be having like military tactical boots on, so they have like more of a square base. Where like a lot of ladies, if they're wearing like slip-ons or fucking heels and shit, they would never be able to do this shit. She has some Jordans on, so. But either way, you know, whenever you stretch and shit, people lose balance all the time, and they're not drunk.
Do it.
All right.
All right.
Do you have any questions on how to do it?
No, you just told me raise the leg so you count. If I put my leg down, stop.
Yo, Vegas model, welcome to the chat. Chat, show her some love. You know we like when the members come to the live stream. Of course we're live. Of course we are live today.
So you tell me keep counting.
Well, if you put your foot down, I want you to pick it back up and continue counting from where you left off, and you do that all on your own. Okay.
Okay. 1001. You want me to count by thousand?
Yeah, 1001, 1002,
Okay.
etc. Yep. Any other questions?
Nope.
Okay. And begin when you're ready.
Okay.
Like her speech and stuff, it doesn't seem super. She doesn't seem slurred or super like intoxicated. I don't know. She might have smoked some weed. Maybe she wasn't lying. Maybe she only had half a beer. Maybe she had a little more. I don't know. I think they're just giving her a hard time because she had the fender bender with the cop, though. I mean, that'll definitely trigger some shit.
1001.
Make sure you're looking at your foot.
1003. 1004. 1000.
See how they're like, you have to look at your foot too, so that you look down and it fucks with your balance, opposed to her just looking straight and having her foot up.
1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012.
Make sure you're looking at your foot.
1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019.
All right, you can stop. Go ahead and put your foot down. Put your arms around your back.
Bro swooped in hella quick.
Hold on. Stop
Why'd he seem like he was mad at her?
this video. Like.
Put your arms around your back.
What am I doing with this one?
DUI.
See, once the driver admitted to drinking alcohol after hitting the police cruiser, the cops, in my perception, made up their minds to arrest her for DUI right then and there. The sobriety test was just icing on the cake for court.
Put your arms around your back.
Yeah, that's what I said. As soon as she said, yeah, I had half a beer about 2 hours ago, I knew she was fucked. She just admitted to them that she was driving drunk. Because she don't seem like a very big woman, you know what I mean? So they knew at that point she was going to blow over. I mean, you got to think. If a lady admits, I drank half a drink, that means she probably drank like 3 drinks. You know what I'm saying? Maybe 5 drinks. You know, just my girl math.
What am I doing with this one?
DUI.
For what?
Driving under the influence.
Yeah, I don't think she failed that, Connie. I'm on her side, bro. I think she just said the wrong shit. But in terms of like physically being impaired, I didn't see much of that from that roadside test.
Do you have anything?
Literally just like told me to do.
Well, you did the exercises. You just didn't perform them how I asked you to. There's a lot of clues of impairment that I observed during that. It leads me to believe you've been drinking a lot more than you're telling me. When we get down to the jail, I am going to ask you to do a breath test. Are you willing to do that?
Nope.
Okay. All right, come on. You don't have anything hidden on you, do you?
No.
Okay. Do you carry anything? Do you carry anything in your top? Any
No,
cash? Okay, just making sure.
There was not even.
Boy, that cop trying to look for any reason to like put his hands on her, bro. He want to fill up on her so bad.
Y'all regret it. But okay.
Right. Just stand right here first. Just face the car.
Yeah, she'll be all right. She probably got like a rapper boyfriend or a basketball player boyfriend or something like that. Baseball player, somebody that'll help her out.
You can relax your arms. She's good searching just like, okay?
No,
I know, we gotta make sure.
No, don't impound my car. There's people in there. They can drive it. No, don't
the
do
car
that.
is in your name. We don't have a choice.
But I have
We have
people
policy.
in there. I don't even live over here. Like,
I'm trying to explain
that
to you.
was a whole accident.
Do you want to hear what I have to say or
No,
not?
because
Okay,
why
then
you want to impound my car for what?
Dang, she had passengers and they won't let them drive that shit. That's fucked up, bro. These cops were salty at her for something.
Like, there's people
They were really mad she fucking fender bendered that car.
in the car that can literally take my car where it needs to go. Like, you guys are being extra. I barely even bumped that damn car. I've been more than
Okay, come on back here.
respectful. No, because I've been more than respectful. And
You have. I appreciate that.
I don't know, but can we talk?
Yeah, we can.
No.
Well, you said you didn't want to hear what I had to say.
Well, then let's listen to it because there's no way. I don't even live over here, and
Okay,
you're
have a
gonna have them impound my car.
We have to by our policy.
But
We
there's
can't release.
people here.
I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell
And
you
there's
something.
no
Have a
damn-
seat. You don't want to listen to
I'm
me.
not.
So
Girlfriend.
don't get an attitude.
I have an attitude. No, because you know what? I've been.
Sit in
No,
the car.
I've been being.
Sit in the car. Or
I'm
I'm
in
gonna
the
put you.
car.
Sit in the car, or I'm going to put you in the car.
I'm sitting in the car.
No,
And
in
I'm
the
trying to
seat.
have a
In the
conversation.
seat.
No, I'm trying to have.
Stand up. We're going to put you in this car if you don't listen.
He tossed her up a little bit. She should have just gotten the car. You already lost. They was for sure impounding your shit at that point. Like, you wasn't getting out of that.
Attention on the charge. Attention on for what?
Battery.
Battery for what? I haven't touched none of you guys. So this one can't be. I haven't touched none of you guys.
I'll go see if she has any like wallet or phone.
Yeah.
Hey, Sue, welcome to the chat.
Whatever. Just do a supplement for me, please, on the report.
Has voluntarily provided the cops. Defense attorneys absolutely despise the actions that this driver exhibited. Defense attorneys strongly police are trained to catch you on the next one. Peace.
If you haven't subscribed to the Prime Analyzer channel, you are missing.
All right, our next video, a female cop caught sleeping with inmate. It comes from Badge View. Let's check it out.
Sexual correspondence. That was the one time too.
Okay. So what were the other?
Yo, Eric. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for keeping it 100 in the chat, my boy. Appreciate the love.
Times just like
you would hit in like bar or shit like that.
I don't have any more questions for you. Appreciate you talking to me. Sorry it's caused so much trouble for you.
No, that's all good. I mean, they already know what's going on. That's why we communicate with each other.
So you said you still have your phone here, right?
It's in my car.
In your car. So, what I would like to do,
So I think that inmate was this cop's lover right here. The one that we see right here.
is I would like to take your phone and execute a search warrant on it to get those texts and everything. I know you, like you said, you would show me and everything, but just to kind of like lock it down and be like, this is the way that we have to do things like administratively, to use that as like evidence against anybody, like Dwayne or the baby mama and stuff like that.
Would I like leave my phone completely, or would I get it back later?
I'm gonna be honest with you. Most likely, you wouldn't get it back for a while.
To get it on the phone.
Most likely, you're gonna be fired for sleeping with the inmate, and we need to look through the phone to see what evidence you accumulated on government property.
Yeah.
I'm able to write down my phone number that I need.
Yeah, we can do that. I would just need the phone. And pretty much what we do is we make like, we execute a warrant, we make a copy of it, like pretty much your entire phone. And then, unfortunately, the phone has to be tied into evidence. That way we can, like, then no one can say that we tampered with it and everything. That's why normally you have to get a new phone for a while. So if you like, we can walk out there right now and grab it, and we can come back in here. Another thing I would like to do too is execute a warrant on your...
She kind of looked like this kid I went to high school with. His name was Richard. Motherfucker was like the best Madden player I ever met.
Apartment, just to retrieve the burrito. So all that would require is that we just show up. We just ask that is your sister going to be home?
Sometimes, like right now, or we don't.
Or what time would she be home?
Does she have to be home?
She doesn't have to be home. We just want to know if someone's going to be there or not.
She goes to work at 6. Sometimes she leaves at 3 or 4.
PM?
PM.
Okay. Do you have a phone number for her?
It's in my phone.
It's in your phone? Okay, we'll grab that then. Okay. Yeah, do you want to grab that and we'll go and grab it and come back?
They wild, bro. The inmate was taking that down, bro. That's wild.
Game and stuff though, and
yeah.
Still gonna get in there?
Yeah. So, okay, let's just go inside. Okay. You mind if I hold on to it for a second? All right. All right. Are you originally from here?
No, from Georgia.
Georgia? What brought you out here?
Oh, family. And financially, I wasn't stable out there.
So
I'm being in trouble from talking to my friend's cousin, but she...
No, so the whole reason I'm taking the phone and everything...
So what is she, like a CO? Like a jail corrections officer?
It's just the conversation on text.
That would make more sense, not a police
now
officer.
Between you and his baby mama. I just want to have that and stuff like that. And since it's on the phone and everything, like I said, we pretty much take the phone, we make a copy of it.
Did the baby mama snitch? Is that how they found out?
And then we tag
that would be funny.
This into evidence because, like, vice versa, if this was the other way around, like, and you got a defense attorney and the defense attorney's like, oh, well, how do I know this wasn't, like, tampered with, or how do I know you didn't make this up? It's like, well, this has been in evidence the whole time. No one's touched it. So what I'm trying to get, everyone's like, every one of my partners is like super busy. I'm trying to get someone to get over there. I'm also trying to get someone to like write the warrants and stuff. So we don't want to go there like right now because we don't have the whole process going right now. Stuff like that. Service. I will be right back. Okay. Let me see if I can get some service there. All right, Siobhan. Are they already talked to you and everything?
Eric said, I know I've been locked up and the chicks dig the convicts, brother.
Okay.
Shout out Eric, man.
So here's what's going to happen next, okay? I need you to stand up. I need you to turn around.
Yeah, take your badge off.
What's more comfortable for you? You don't know? Okay. Sorry, I don't want to. It's fine, okay? Can you head that way for me? Alright, Siobhan, we're going to go to these big old doors right here. Okay. Now, again, I'm going to check your bra line using the back of my hand, okay? Your penetration. Okay? Go ahead. Okay, sure. So I'm going to explain it to you. Okay, so you're being placed under arrest right now for criminal sexual penetration. Okay. Attempt. So I'm just going to explain the charges and then I'll talk to you. Okay? So criminal sexual penetration. Okay. Attempt to commit a felony, and a felony is attempting to bring in contraband into an imprisonment, like a prison facility. So let me explain. Okay. So I understand what you're saying is that none of this was like consensual on your part, that you were scared and that he was going to report you and everything else like that. Okay. So I understand that aspect, but again, and I'm sure it was explained to you in the academy because I went through the CO Academy. Okay.
Hey, what's good, Whiskey? Welcome in. So now she trying to say